With this workflow, you can take what you think your products or services do for your customers and turn them into highly optimized, benefits-focused statements to use in your marketing and product descriptions. And as always, you can download this n8n workflow for free from my free school community, where we give away over 25 different business-focused workflows for free, with new free workflows coming out every week, along with tutorial videos, how-to setup guides, and a community of automation-focused business owners all looking to collaborate and grow their businesses with AI-powered automations. You can also join our advanced community for tech support assistance, marketing and business growth discussions, as well as getting to pick my brain on n8n, AI automation, or businesses in general. All right, and let's take a look at how the workflow actually works. I start here with a Sheets trigger. You don't have to start with a Sheets trigger. You can start with like a click trigger and just hit test workflow. I just have this here just really as the first step. I'm always going to set test workflow. This doesn't need to be scheduled or anything. But what we're doing is we're pulling from a worksheet. The spreadsheet is the marketing plan generator master spreadsheet, which I have over here, in which I'll give you in addition to the workflow. And there's a couple sheets that you have to fill in for this one. The first one is the create your product/service benefits sheet. So everything in the dark green. So we have our product service name, the need it fills, the end result for the client, time it takes to work, feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. So just the dark green. The blue, that's the part that gets filled in by the workflow. And this bright green is what gets filled in when it's all done operating. And then we'll see here that we have an if node. What it'll do is it'll check for that complete section over here, the bright green. If this says anything in it, or if it says done in it, it will not process this line. And that's just in case you want to add additional things later and don't necessarily want to erase anything. So give yourself different options. It'll skip over the ones it's already run through. So we just skip through that. And then we come over to this next Google Sheet here. And again, you'll want to set your credentials with Google Sheets. I'll put a link in the description below on how to set up your Google Cloud Console credentials so you can do Google Sheets. But the other sheet that we're going through here is describe your business. So that's this one over here. And again, you're going to fill in the dark green. Don't do the bright blue. Don't do the yellow. That's the part that gets filled in by the agent, the marketing plan generator system. So fill in your company name. If your company has a face, maybe you're the face of the company. So for example, I am the face of this company. It's Bradford Carlton. What's your tagline or motto? What industry are you in? The types of services or products that you offer, just put those in. And then once you have all of that in, what will happen is we'll run this through an AI agent with a structured output parser. So it's going to always put the same structure of output out every single time. And that's what it looks like here. It's going to do benefit 1, benefit 2, benefit 3, benefit 4, 5. Each is going to have a tagline as well as a statement of what the benefit statement is. All right, and so we see here, we're just passing all of the information from the previous spreadsheets into the model. We're then going to check out our system prompt here. It's a world-class marketing specialist specializing in crafting high-converting product service benefit descriptions. It analyzes all the data that we give it. It then structures a tagline and a benefits statement. So the tagline's 5 to 12 words, powerful, engaging phrase summarizing the core benefit of the product or service. And then we have another statement, a 30 to 40 word statement. It's a concise, compelling statement that talks about who this helps, how does it help them, what transformation do they experience, when do they see results, the emotional impact that they're going to feel. All right, but don't just list the emotions. Don't just list them. Actually, how are they going to feel? What's the why of the why, the result of the result? And it's supposed to be persuasive. All right, don't just talk about what it is. It's supposed to make them feel something. Lead with transformation, not features. It's going to use active, powerful language that evokes emotional responses. It frames it in aspirational, forward-looking ways. We want them to feel that their life is going to be better with your product or service. All right, we make it effortless and achievable, and we ensure we're always adding value. So then we just have a high converting positive tone. We tell it not to use generic statements. Don't use customer avatars by name if you might have included those. Don't list any emotions separately. It needs to be woven in. No vague or hype-driven language. We want this to actually resonate with our customers. No breaking it into multiple sentences. It needs to be one strong statement. And don't assume any missing information. All right, then we give it some examples here. and then it gets put back into the spreadsheet. So we add it to our product service sheet. So this one down here, that's where it gets added there. We also add it to our marketing, I'll tell you this one first, to describe your business. So that was the first sheet here. So the benefits of working with your company. And it also gets added over here to our marketing plan input. And that's step 3 of the marketing plan generator system. And so we'll get to that in another video, but just know that it does add it in here as well. It's a comprehensive system. We wanted you to be able to generate your marketing plan from A to Z in one shot. And this is really just the first step. So if you just need a benefits statement, maybe you've got a new product offering coming out, maybe you got a new service that you're promoting. If you want just benefit statements, one click, it's got it for you. So let's actually take a look at and see what these have to say. So we have the first one here, tagline, save hours instantly with seamless AI integration. All right. Statement, business leaders using RogerBot 2.0 enjoy effortless setup within minutes, instantly reclaiming valuable time as the AI integrates directly into Slack, transforming daily workflows into smooth, productive days filled with clarity and focus. That's great. It's got the time, it's within minutes. It tells them what they get, the clarity and focus. It tells them how easy it is and what they're saving. They're reclaiming valuable time. And it calls out who it is. So it does exactly what you would expect or what you would hope for from a very good benefit statement. So here we got another one. Tagline, automate every admin task with AI precision. That's a nice tagline, actually. Statement, executives free themselves from tedious email triage, scheduling, and research as RogerBot 2.0 autonomously manages notes, events, and communications, empowering teams to operate efficiently and confidently while accelerating business momentum within days. That's beautiful. All right. Like I've been in marketing for 13 years now, and these are pretty decent. And I spent a lot of time making sure that the prompt generated something really good for you all. And so that's the benefits creator. So as you can see, the benefits creator workflow allows you to quickly write benefit statements that speak to what your customers actually care about and not just tell them what your products or services are. And this is just step 1 of our marketing plan generator system that will write your customer avatar descriptions, develop your full marketing plan, analyze your website and ad copies, and more. And you can find it all for free within my free school community just by clicking the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video because it really does help get this content out there to people who need it. And if you'd like more n8n tutorials or over 30 plus different n8n workflows for free, you can find that all in my free school community. Again, the link is in the description below. As always, I'm Bradford Carlton. Let's automate your success together.